on, brother. Real Bawda cat there. Story time now, you know.
Yourself, man. And go, man. Let me see what I'm going to take up this bat. Me tell you every day say I'm going dead man Batman me. Because me have life and him not have none. When they come about what you not tell me about Batman, you want me kill one hour, no? Go away, man. Move your pussy work because you can't run joke with the pan site of work and run joke and you have to take it personal. Go away, man. Go away, man. Your teeth and broke now one buckle. Go away, man. Then now you can tell me say me Batman. You know, go away, brother. Go away, man. What reason for me bad mind you? Me want to get what you saw and done ambition like you. Left me a blood clot loan boy and you talk to me. If you talk to me again, you ever go around.
Every day if you talk to me,
And you what me I run with you, brother?
You have to make a big man because you
No, me I look war with you.
Every man never say nothing to me.
No, talk to me, man.
They have buy the whole of them in a birthday. Me have buy the whole of them smoke more than them.
Take it easy.
Take it easy, brother. Me think God is somebody.
I was going to say, head for a man and a man and say, I war, put it next thing I war. So we need to see another time.
I think God is somebody. Go away, man. Me tap up your bum buckler.
Great cat, a bad man, man. Man, go a bad man, cat.
The road is a phone car come from me.
Yeah, man, somebody like some.
I'm not talking about bad mind. Bad mind, what, man?
I too like me, I have one.
You look so.
The bad man, man. Cat, you know, full of life, you know. Cat.
That one, brother, don't take nothing personal with me. Anytime you take nothing personal with me, I'm going to say, what you want? Don't tell me about bad mind. Bad mind, you have to what, brother?
I'm getting up the old days, the one war, you can run.
I'm not going to steal me a buy with my money when I work over there. You think me at bad mind?
Yeah.
I buy place to come and get 1,000 and give us a phone and put the body one and 70,000.
Batty and coke on the buy, man. You want a bullet in your bumbo hole.
You will have to put the blood clot.
What you mean? Then you think I joke me, make?
Blood clot. You know, easy enough.
Go on, we are going to call on overside. I want to kick down your bumbo clot in here, brother. Make me go on overside.
So, the video I see where the man tell about bad man. What kind of style that? What bad mind for brother?
Dirty man style, brother. I know him get bad mind in that, brother.
Yeah, they know what kind of bad mind they talk about. They bad mind people?
Never bad mind, no man from the day me born, brother. No man at all, and no man can bad mind me neither, brother.
Remember how there's something that works still on bad mind, and I could have never bad mind somebody, you know.
That not their brother. Bad mind not their brother, because you see, the whole of we have life, brother. Me have life, you have life. I must say dead man, bad mind, brother. Right, dead man don't have no life, you know. If we have something where him want, only him alone supposed to bad mind. Not bad mind, no man. If a man want a plane, we can own a ship, you know, brother.
I true that, man.
Yeah, man, if a man want a bike, we can own a car, brother. So, what a difference we have a bad mind.
Bad mind, man.
Brother. No sense in that, brother.
Me, man, I talk a road and I say, man.
Some man I walk a take up, brother, about bad mind.
Mind and
say,
me
I'm
no
not gonna way, brother. Me personal know say me no bad mind, no man. I mean, I see no reason for no man bad mind, my brother.
So that's why you must say that now. You see all over the internet and you must say a bad mind?
Yeah, cause like, you might make one little $1,000 and a girl dry him out. I will up on the site and like him take big boss and give a girl $1,000 and at the end of the day him broke and him a walk a look money. Nobody not give him money. Him a say, I lend him the girl the money, chewing see girl money.
Yeah.
I say, yo brother, let go that man, that not going on the site here, no brother. The man now over here quarrel for $1,000, brother. The site here bigger than
that. Watch our bully. Watch our him
you
too.
go like you want to come me lick the site, you see it? And him a real and a go on and I say, girl, now give you back no money, brother. All your corners, man. Kind of style them. They say no man over here quarrel with no girl for money, brother.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, we made the girl not give him back his money. And a bad mind, we bad mind. Me I say, brother, hold on a little bit, no man not gonna further, brother. As long as you know me don't blood clot deal with me, brother. Cause me is a man who just done you like no to you know. Cause probably you can tell me then something there war you look with me, brother. Where you tell me about bad mind? Where you have me a bad mind you for? You little none ambition, something all and little bad ways the way you have, man. And that me I go bad mind you for, brother.
That the man that one thing he ever broke still, you know?
Man ever broke, ever want money, and I go tell me say him have money. Me say you don't have no money, man.
Me hear my tell you say he have whole heap of money get up. Yeah, say he.
Them say them the money there for do. A batty and coke you buy with for your money, man. You know see a black and steel me I buy with my money, brother.
Oh, I didn't think you have waste time. We didn't get them on the road and drink 24/7.
Yeah, me tell you, say black and steel me I buy with my money, brother. I'm in a business with it now, you know. Batty and coke me soon I buy. Them me soon I buy with the money and then I broke down to come and cuss people and I tell people about people bad mind and all them blood clot them.
So, you ever borrow money from yet?
What you mean? And the first week the man come from the work and I first man lend him money, brother.
And I'm tell you say you bad
Me
mind?
bad mind. I mean never get $1 from him for borrow. Never.
What kind of style that him a go on with it?
Cokehead, brother. Cokehead style, man. And him have me work monks for never even know say I'm a cokehead. Cokehead that, brother. A man they borrow from the worst a man from the site. That man a trade man, you know. That man get paid Friday. And Monday morning him a borrow from labor, you know, brother.
From labor?
From labor, I'm a look money for borrow, brother.
Can't behave so, man.
So when me could have bad mind you for that ambition there, that mean to say when me get paid Friday, Monday, me can't buy me lunch. So that me a bad mind you for some me want to stay, and some me want to be.
No, sir.
Be like that in a life,
You
brother.
behave
So,
different, man.
yeah, man, you have to fix up your argument, brother.
So-
You come tell man about bad mind.
What about the people them know we borrow your money?